Hello students, good morning to all. How are you all? Fine. I hope you all fine at home. Today we are going to learn subject English, poem number 2nd, houses big and small. Houses, houses, big, big, and small, small. In our last period we have learned this poem. But in this period, we are going to discuss about some words, hard words, missing letter. Okay. First, houses, houses. In your worksheet, you have to write this hard words 3 times. You have to copy down that. Write down. houses, houses. Houses means home, where you live, where you जहाँ पे आप रहते हो वो उसे हाउस कहते हैं, घर कहते हैं, होम. houses, हाउसेस. वन होता है तो उसे हाउस कहते हैं और बहुत सारे होते हैं उसे हाउसेस कहते हैं. Say with me, houses, houses. Second, big, big. Big means big. Big यानी बड़ा, large. big, big. 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 Next, some. कोई. उसे क्या कहते हैं? some. Say with me, some. some. Small means little, छोटा. Small, small, small. small. This is opposite of big. Big means बड़ा. Small means छोटा, little. wide, wide. wide. Wide means पહોड़ा. Wide means पहोड़ा. wide. Broad भी बोल सकते हो उसको. 6, tall. tall. Tall means लंबा. tall. 7 number, many. many यानी बहुत सारे, many. wherever. 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 wherever यानी जहाँ भी. wherever. wherever. roam. roam means go here and there. यहाँ वहाँ घूमना. उसे क्या कहते हैं? roam. roam. best. best. best means अच्छा. sweet. 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 Now we repeat this again. houses, houses. houses. big, big. some. some. small. small. wide, wide. wide. tall. tall. many. many. wherever, wherever. wherever, wherever. rom, roam. rom, roam. Roam means go here and there. best, best. best, best. swet, sweet. swet, sweet. Let's we read this poem. Houses big and small. Some houses are big and some are small. Some houses are wide and some are tall. So many houses wherever I roam. But the best of all is my own sweet home. Some houses are big. Some houses कैसे होते हैं? बड़े होते हैं, big होते हैं. Some houses are big and some are small. Some houses कैसे होते हैं? छोटे होते हैं. Some houses are wide. Some houses क्या होते हैं? Wide होते हैं. And some are tall. Some houses कैसे होते हैं? Tall होते हैं, लंबे होते हैं, ऊंचे होते हैं ना. So many houses. बहुत सारे houses है ना. यहाँ पे हम कौन से टाउन में रहते हैं? कालोल में. कालोल में कितने सारे हाउसेस आप देखते हो ना. आप स्कूल में आते हो, आते जाते रास्ते में कितने सारे हाउसेस होते हैं. सो मैनी हाउसेस वेरेवर आई रोम. मैं जहाँ भी जाता हूँ, घूमता हूँ. वेरेवर आई रोम, मैं जहाँ पर भी जाता हूँ, घूमता हूँ, तो क्या देखता हूँ? सो मैनी हाउसेस. बहुत सारे हाउसेस मैं देखता हूँ. बट द बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, पर वो बहुत सारे हाउसेस में से सबसे बेस्ट, बेस्ट यानी बहुत अच्छा किसका हाउस है? इज माई ओन स्वीट होम. मेरा जो स्वीट होम है वो कैसा है? बेस्ट है. वो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आपको भी, आप जिस घर में रहते हो वो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है ना. आपका घर आपके लिए क्या होता है? बेस्ट होता है. Let's read it again. SOME, some. HOUSES, houses. ARER, BIG, big. Some houses are big. AND, SOME, some. ARER, SMALL, small. And some are small. SOME, some. HOUSES, houses. ARER, WIDEY. Some houses are wide. AND, SOME, some. ARER, TALL, tall. And some are tall. So MANY, many. HOUSES, houses. So many houses. WHEREVER, wherever. ROAM, roam. Wherever I roam. BUT, but. THE, the. BEST, best. OF, of. ALL, all. But the best of all. IS is MY, my. OWN, own. SWEET, sweet. HOME, home. So some houses are big and some houses are small. Some houses are wide and some are tall. So many houses wherever I roam. But the best of all is my own sweet home. Now we are going to write question answer. Question, question. Answer, answer. Question answer. Now first, WHAT what? TYPES types. OF of HOUSE house. ARER there. What types of house are there? What types of houses are there? So what we will write here? First write THERE there. ARER. What type of houses have you seen? Big house have you seen? No, big house, small and tall. So there are big, small, wide and tall houses. There are big, small, wide and tall houses. What type of house are there? There are big house, small house, wide house and tall house. इतने टाइप्स के हाउसेस होते हैं. WHOSE whose, HOUSE house. IS is, THE the, BEST best. Whose house is the best? Whose house is the best? In the poem, the child's house. Whose house is the best? In poem written no there. So what is our answer? Whose house is the best? The child's house. So right here answer is the child's house. The child's house. The child's house is the best. Whose house is the best? The child's house is the best. The child's house is the best. Now we repeat again. What types of house are there? There are big, small, wide and tall houses. Next, B. Whose house is the best? The child's house is the best. Now our next topic is WRITE, right? THE the, OPPOSITES opposites, WORDS words, FROM from, THE the, BOX box. Some words, opposite words are given in this box. Now first BIG, big. BIG, big. What is the opposite of big? बिग का ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? बिग तो स्मॉल. बिग, स्मॉल. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्मॉल? SMALL स्मॉल. बिग, बिग, स्मॉल. बिग, स्मॉल. सो कट हियर. बिग तो स्मॉल. सेकेंड TALL tall. TALL tall. TALL tall. तो tall तो short. SHORT short. Tall, short. Tall, short. SHORT short. short, short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Now third, many, many, many means बहुत सारे. तो few, few यानी थोड़ा. few, few. And already we written now this. Tall, short, many, few. Many, few. few, few. many, many. few, few. best, best. best, best. Best तो worst. worst यानी खराब. worst, worst. wide, wide. wide. wide, wide. wide तो narrow. wide तो narrow, narrow. narrow, narrow. narrow, narrow. wide यानी wide. narrow means साकड़ा. big, small, tall, short. many, few. best, worst. wide, narrow. Now students, today we learn hard words, how to read the poem and question answer and write opposites of the given words. So you have to keep practice at home. Thank you.